Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do a show and tell video of new Christmas kit that will be listed in my Etsy store. It's a new kit for this year. It has 31 pages. It's rather large. The name is December to Remember. It should have been ready at the beginning of this month, but because of the family matters that were going on, my father-in-law passed away, so I couldn't finish it, and I was halfway, I think, and this weekend I finished it, so yay. Because I'm also joining the A to Z of Christmas crafts event that is hosted by Rachel from RachandBella Crafts, and I will link all the information down below. I do need to say to you, I'm not completely catch up with everything that is involved with this, but when I do my video I will be, and then I give you all the information, because there's also a giveaway going on with a journal, but well, you can see it in the other videos also, or go to RachandBella. But if you want to follow me with this event, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Maybe you want to leave a comment, and also check out the other videos, of course. There are many different crafters involved, and also I've seen the first one. The second day was Tracie from Tracie Fox Creative. We have Suzanne from Non-Stop Paper Crafts. Shauna has been from Fraps and Scraps. Brigida from Cleveland Creations. We got Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda Journals, and Pam from the Paper Outpost. And now I'm not going to say more names because I'm not sure which day I'm at with the names already. Those I know for sure has been uploaded. So yes, my kit, 31 pages, a lot to play with. We got journal pages. I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm not quite into the crafting mode again. I'm very clumsy at moments. Maybe I'm going too fast. But yes, I have journal pages and a lot of things to play with. File folder. I made these tickets with numbers 1 to 31. Not sure if you can see. They're all decorated differently. And I also have them in a smaller version, so you can mount them on little tags and everything. But I also have the bigger version. I thought, well, I'm going to include these anyway. Then I have a lot of tags. And now you hear Mr. Supervisor outside the hall. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear it. Journaling cards. More tags. Coin envelope. I really like this one. It's very grungy. Then I have more plain backing pages. This is a ledger paper. Another backing page. Another backing page. And just another backing page. Another coin envelope. Journaling cards. Little Christmas card. These are real vintage cards, and Christmas sayings, and also a link to my Facebook group. Frames, tabs, circles, smaller slanted pockets. Another file folder, little bits and pieces to fuzzy cut. Smaller tags, and these are the smaller tickets. Slanted pockets and large tags. So you have 31 pages to play with. Like I said, I will be joining the A to Z Christmas crafts from RachandBella, and I think it's the 25th no, not 25th. Am I saying it right? 25 of this month. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I'm having a brain freeze at the moment. But yeah, if you want to follow me with this or with other things that I do, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell. Leave a comment, please. I really like to see the comments. I haven't responded on the comments for about 2 weeks now because, well, of the family situation. I didn't have time. I did liked it, but I didn't reply to all of you. But I really do appreciate your comments, and of course I like all the support that you are giving me. Well, this is it for today. I hope to see you next time. I will, oh sorry, I forgot. I will link all the information about the event down below this video, so you can check out all the other videos. And there will be more that I'm going to explain in my next video because I'm not up to date yet and I don't want to tell you something that isn't true. Like I said, I had things going on, so I didn't catch up on this also, on the information. I know it's a great thing. It's really great and it's fun. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.